guys, it's Mixer and welcome to another video. You're watching more Zamax. This is my vlogs channel and I'm back with another vlog. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so it's quite cool to get the vlog camera back out again. I wanted to show you guys this. This is my brand new keyboard setup. So what I have here, this is obviously my keyboard. I've got book there, stuff there, so there's music sheets, and well, this is amazing. This is a Nord. What this does, it basically outputs an awesome sound. Let me see if I can switch this thing on. Hear that? You can change the sound of that, so let's change that down. It's pretty cool. Let's get another sound. Change it back again. Also, another thing in my room, I've had this for a while now, but I haven't showed this yet. This is a new storage system. We put this wooden frame from IKEA up here. It looks pretty nice. It's good to store the stuff because before there was like a table there and something, and it was quite annoying, but now I have this massive wall of stuff, which is pretty nice.
Flugzeuge sind hier alle über uns.
Finally back. Man, Black Friday is really not the best day to go shopping. I gotta say, in town there were so many people. It wasn't that comfortable. But then afterwards we went to it was like a little park thing going on, like a winter thing, and we did some stuff there. So altogether it was quite a fun day. Also, one other thing, tomorrow is Advent, so I will be going to London and probably I'll be making a vlog there, so stay tuned for that. So once again, thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, remember to smack the like button right now. Subscribe if you want to see more vlogs just like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.